ever just wake up in the morning and have ice cream on your mind? I am eating from a little kid's dish. I don't eat very much ice cream. I'm feeling like ice cream. It is literally freezing cold outside, but I'm gonna eat it. This is Moose Tracks. I have no idea. I don't know. It has like little Reese's Pieces cups in it. So today I was thinking about taking you guys out with me. I have been trying so hard to vlog, and I'm telling you, I start vlogs and then I just never finish them. I just need to acknowledge the fact that my evenings are just too hectic and I'm being pulled in all different directions. And it's just not a good time for me. I just need to acknowledge that and carry on, right? So today I'm going to try to start and finish this vlog. So I'm thinking about going to TJ Maxx. I'm also thinking about going to Target. We'll see. I've been reading a book called The Love Prescription. I actually borrowed it from my library. I tried to find it at Target. They don't have it available. But I'm actually thinking about purchasing my own copies. I borrowed the digital copy, and that's actually my favorite way to read books. I like a physical book. I don't like ruining a physical book. So there's a little bit of conflict there, but with me on the go, I've got a lot of kids to take care of. As you guys have heard, I am doing fostering specifically for some family. So I've definitely taken to my Kindle. I'm thinking about going to Target because I want to get a journal. This book is really, really good. I feel like you can apply these same concepts to actually any relationship, but this is really addressing marriages. I'm gonna eat my ice cream and then maybe we'll go to Target. Actually, you know what? TJ Maxx has nail polish and notebooks. And TJ Maxx is probably going to have cuter notebooks than Target that are cheaper. I love you, Target, but sometimes you're a little out of control. Also, I want to get a top coat because I picked up a top coat. I love it. It's from Sally Hansen. It's like the strengthening top coat. It was like $4, which is why I picked it up. I don't like the brush on it. Is it horrible? Could I push through it? Absolutely. And I probably will. But I want to go get a bottle that I will go through, maybe an SE bottle. I just want to get a polish with a brush that I appreciate so that when I get through that product in there, I can just dump in some of my other top coats. So I'm blabbing. I'm gonna eat my ice cream and then we'll see where we go. It's snowing again. Oh my gosh. Go away. And you want to know what? I'm gonna be right next to Target, so I can go in there and pick up something that I'm gonna be making for dinner. I decided I'm gonna make fettuccine alfredo. I do this literally, it's one of my go-to meals. My family loves it, and it's super easy to make, but I need to pick up some whipping cream to actually make the sauce. So my AC, whatever, I don't know what it is, okay? I don't know enough about cars to do anything. In fact, if you guys want to know how I actually am, I didn't know it. We had a slow leak in one of our tires, and we were putting it off until it became like an actual issue. It was like super slow leak. Guy comes up and he's like, "Hey, you got a flat tire." And I was like, "Oh my gosh, are you serious? Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I wouldn't have known." And so I pull over and I call my husband. I'm like, "Hey, I have a flat tire." And he's like, "Which one is it?" And I said, it wasn't the one that had the slow leak, right? I was like, "It's not that one." He's like, "All right, I'll be right over there." And so he shows up. I hope I could find this picture, you guys. He was like, "What the heck? That is not a flat tire. You don't even have a tire." And he was like, "Did you not notice when you were driving?" I was like, "No, absolutely not." And he's like, "Oh my gosh." You guys, I don't know how I did it, but I drove on that tire. I don't even know when it happened. I genuinely do not know when it happened. But I drove on that tire for like 10 minutes and the rim was not damaged. Now, my husband asked me, he's like, "Did nobody said anything?" And I was like, "Oh, you know what? Our neighbor was like yelling at me, like seriously yelling at me." And I would just brush it off like, "Oh, you're a nutcase." No, I'm the nutcase. Next time that I saw that guy when I was driving, he literally rolled down his window and put his entire upper half of his body like out of his window so that he can turn and look. I know this guy was making sure everything was okay. Okay, he was a nice guy, but I felt like a complete idiot. And so my husband Maxx jokes on me about it all of the time. I actually didn't get my license till later. It wasn't even until I was in my 20s, and my husband helped me get it. I just don't come from a very, I don't know, family-friendly household, I guess. When I was a teenager, my mom moved out on me and my little brother. And so we had a really rocky life. And I I was obviously not really concerned. I mean, it started out with my mom moving out on me, and then I'm sleeping in people's literally dining room. It was actually, I don't want to get it, maybe I shouldn't say anybody's name, but I think it's so sweet, you know, that my husband actually helped me. I mean, I'm like boosting him up, like he should have done that, but I don't know, just the memories, you know, I look back and I think they're really sweet. There's so many people in here. I really like that for some reason. This one right here. I'm not gonna get it, but I feel like it would look good at my front door. Or this one. It's cute. Look what I found. I'm getting it. It's like a polyester satin pillowcase. I was talking to my husband about it, and now I'm gonna get it. I didn't grab a card, and now I'm regretting it. Oh well. So that wasn't too bad. I didn't pay that much money. I'm super pleased with what I got. There was a girl in there, like we kept going to the same spots. It's like, dang, are we on the same wavelength or what? So I'm just gonna drive on over to the Target. It's actually kind of early. I didn't think it was gonna take this fast. It sounds like it was gonna take this long. Oh my gosh. I didn't think it was gonna be so fast, I should say. Maybe I'll just do like a mini haul. I'm gonna move though because there's people like eating in their car right next to me, so I can't do that. Alright. Oh, there's a person right in front of me. There's two people right in front of me. Well, you know what? They're gonna see a haul live in action. Oh my, there's actually 3 people right in front of me, sitting in the car. We must just all have really great ideas. So I picked this up. This is a foot file, specifically because I do my husband's feet. And I don't have one, so I want to get him one or use one on him. Of course, it's in pink. Love pink. They had a water bottle there. It was like neon coral, and I was like, oh my gosh, I want it so bad. I actually turned around to go get it, but then it had a scuff on the edge, and I don't know why. I just can't buy it if it's scuffed already. Like, I need to scuff it myself. Like, I know I'm going to scuff it myself, but it's like if the scuffs come from anybody else but me, I just can't do it. And then I got these nail files. I actually have some Minnie Mouse ones, which I'm actually not even a Disney fan. But I saw these and I thought they were cute. Hopefully they're better than the Minnie Mouse ones I have. There's a brand, what is it called? Bonafide Beauty on Amazon. They have, from my experience, they have the best nail files. I love them. I was going to record the nail section, but there were so many people, like seriously, like 3 people, and it's not very big, so it's like very tight, and it was just super awkward, so I just didn't record. But I did pick up a nail polish. It's called Tag Us in That Selfie. Oh my gosh, it's not even coming up accurately. If you're wondering, I'm wearing Vanity Fairs, I think, from Essie. If I'm wrong, I'll just put it in the description, but I got this. It's just a cream. It's kind of a neutrally kind of nudie cream. Like it. You guys saw this. I picked up some what is it, polyester satin pillowcases. I was actually looking online. Oh my gosh, I just stumbled over my words, so let me try this again. So I picked up these are satin polyester satin pillowcases. I have been wanting to try this out because my hair has been like super staticky, and I know it's because of the weather, but I'm also really just interested. Oh my gosh, I thought that was someone I knew, and I was about to like open my door and like yell at them. Anyway, so it's gray, which my husband likes gray, and he's gonna use one. Comes with 2. So he's going to use one, and if we like it, then I'm going to get more. I picked up 2 notebooks. They had quite a few notebooks, a lot of cute ones that I've even seen at Target. Oh, this is a journal, so you can actually mark the days. But it says journal on the front, and I thought it was just, I don't know, I thought it was cute. And then I got this one. I saw it, and immediately I was like, this is mine. This is gonna be mine. Actually, it was displayed like this. It was sitting there like this. But I got it. It's a super pale, like yellowy pink with gold bees on it. And the inside is just plain with a little bee in the corner. Super cute. And then I picked up these opal earrings. They're not real opals, but they're sterling silver. Oh my gosh, this guy, he's doing the carts at Target and he's having a blast. He's just like singing so loud. I think it's so cute. I picked up these earrings. They were $13. They're sterling silver. My sweet husband went out and got me diamond earrings, and I think they were white gold. Although there's some debate whether they're white gold or if they're silver. Either way, I'm allergic to them. Growing up, I can only wear surgical steel and stainless and sterling silver. So this is going to be my test. We're going to find out if I'm allergic. I've been wanting opal earrings for a very long time. So when I was little, I was like 8 years old. All of my friends had their ears pierced and they were wearing earrings. And I did too. But my hole had closed up and I was telling my mom that I did my hole close? My mom took an earring that had a sharp edge and she re-pierced my ears. And now they're like super ugly, but oh no, these are not closed. Maybe they are actually. You cannot tell me with my big old hole in my ears that my ear ring hole actually closed. Are you serious? I got this ugly thing on my ear, but they're closed. Let's try the other one. Oh my gosh. Do you see it? I don't mind that it's fake. I need to tighten this because I don't want it to be saggy. If it wasn't gonna be irritated before, it's gonna be irritated now. I think it's so cute. Is this a style, like one ear? Oh my gosh. I don't even know if this is gonna happen. Do I have to re-pierce my one ear that has a giant gaping hole in it? You know what? My birthday's coming up. I should tell my husband, you know what? I want the real deal. Although I don't mind lab created. My husband actually proposed to me with an opal ring. And I don't have any more because my little one. I'm going to go into Target with my one earring. I'm going to see if they have earrings. If I like any, maybe I'll get some. But I'm going to go get that milk. I feel ridiculous, but I love this earring so much. But I keep trying. I feel like I need to stop. It's been longer than I care to admit. It's seriously so cold outside. I'm going to show you what I got. Heavy whipping cream because I need it. I picked up 2 of these Goldmon hydrating foot creams. They have urea in it. I got 2 of them. It has urea, which is really good. My husband has really, really dry, cracked, sometimes bloody feet. He does moisturize, but regular lotion, heavy, thicker lotions are not enough. It's got to have urea in it. Why is that so hard for me to say? This I can get him to use. When it comes to the carousel, which is also bomb, it's like an ointment. It is more intense. He likes it when I apply that one, but this, he feels like it's a regular lotion. I don't know, it's in his mind. I don't know, I can trick his mind into using these. And then I picked up Essie's gel setter top coat. I actually almost walked away, but Target is doing a buy 40 get a $10 gift card, and so I actually threw this in because I needed like $8 more, and this was like 10 or 11. And then I picked up the Nail Teaks Formula 2. Listen, I've tried the Nail Tech, it just doesn't hit like the Nail Teaks. I've tried it and I have 2 of them, and I do need to get through them, but I just don't like them really as much. I don't see the results, and so my Target finally had some, and so I snagged me one I could. I didn't really see any earrings. There were earrings there that I thought were cute, but at this point, do I want to buy more earrings if I can't even stick them in my ear? I mean, yes, I do. I don't have much time, so I think I'm gonna end it here. If I get this earring in my ear, I'm definitely gonna update you, but I feel like that's it. Was this fun? I don't know. Let me know if you guys like this, and maybe I'll do another car vlog. It was kind of fun for me to do something. Because I was just sitting there like, I need to clean my house, but I don't want to clean my house, so let's be irresponsible. Always so much fun, isn't it? I got it in. I had to put it in backwards, literally. I had to pop it in through the back. I need to be angled downwards, coming in through the front anyways. It's wrapped around my hair. But, I love it. How cute are these? Alright, I think I'm satisfied now. I hope you guys enjoyed this. That's the update we were all hoping for, right? All right, bye!